Here is an easy craft to share with your kids while they are on holiday break. To make your own, you need a paper plate, orange craft paint, a paintbrush, brown cardstock, scissors, hot glue, white pom-poms, and gold glitter glue. Cut the paper plate to resemble a slice of pie. Have your kids paint the entire piece orange and set aside. While the paint dries, cut some small squares out of your brown cardstock. This will be the pieces of crust. Once your paper plate is dry, glue the brown squares along the edge of the pie crust. To finish off the slice, I added some gold glitter on top for spice and white pom-poms in the center for whipped cream. Let it dry completely and display. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.